The young boys is gonna say, Mikey, you getting good at this, boy. I'm gonna say, not good enough. Dude, this little deal where these fish are, dude, there's a whole school right there. See if we can get it in on them, make a good enough cast. See what happens here. I'm gonna reel it to him, hurry up, get it to him. There he is, they're right there. Let's see how they react to it. Oh, I killed him. Get it back in. Oh, got it, dude. That was absolutely awesome. I reeled it up really fast, and that fish came and got it. That's what's awesome when they're there, dude. Oh, this is freaking amazing. Oh, yes, sir. Ah, keep on fighting. Oh. That's what we talking about. I put the death grip on them. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be number 5. That'd be number 5. Dude, I'm feeling myself right now. I am feeling myself right now. I like burned it, and that fish couldn't help it. He's 233. How about that? $13.95 on my best 5 right now. Look at the colors on these fish. They're so beautiful, man. Awesome, man. This is freaking amazing, man. I feel like there's one just hiding right there on the bottom. And that little cluster, whatever that is right there. It is like a little cluster or something. Come on, get it. It's a game of cat and mouse. This is absolutely amazing. This is what I'm talking about, man. You just watch them, they just follow it, and it's not going to help us, but man, that's fun. I don't know if those are bass, but I'm going to try and catch one and see what it does. Seem to me like they... Dude, I lose track of them so fast. It's like the boat does some goofy stuff and I just lose them. They're swimming right at me. That's the hardest. Swimming at you, they're hard to catch. Look at those. He sees it. Oh my god, dude, how did I miss that? That fish was so freaking hot. That was why I didn't catch him. I'm glad I didn't, because I wouldn't have been able to show you guys what transpired there, but I'm gonna keep working on them. Put some bait fuel on there. Oh, here comes one. Looks like he's interested. This kind of pile's got like, this pile's got like A-rig written on it. The way these fish are acting, looks like a bunch of them there. Looking at the bottom. I'm looking at the bottom. That's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at them on the bottom, and that's what I'm targeting. Those. I'm gonna get them on this. I'm gonna A-rig that. Still A-rig in there and see what happens. Gotta try. Usually that gets them triggered up. I mean, this is absolutely what you want to see when you're doing this. Little bitty brush pile here. Looks like it's loaded. The draw power of that rig coming through there is good enough for them. Look like one. They're nudging it. Whole school of them on it. That one should want to get it. When you pull it away from them, like usually like a cat. Bait right there. There we go, we got that one. It's a good fish. I think I can belly lift him. Oh, that was risky. Oh my God, this is so fun. How did my line got caught in this lip somehow? Oh, there we go. Nice fish. He ain't gonna call nothing. Beautiful though. That one's a good one, man. Every time I get it around one, dude, that happens. You gotta be right on them to catch them, dude. They don't let you get a chance at catching them. Like, they are booking it. He's like, heck no, dude. You can go somewhere with that mess. You can go somewhere with that funk. That's what he's saying. You can go somewhere with that funk, Mr. Man. Heck, I look like. Dude, they when they're in a good mood, they come from a long ways to get it, dude. When they don't want to eat, these fish don't want to eat. You almost have to find 2 or 3 of them together. Keep it from them. Got that one. That was hard because he really didn't want to eat, but he had no choice. We caught him. Boy, you almost look like a spotted bass, but you was a largie. I got you. Cold. Woo. That's a good one, man. Them the ones I want, like that. Ooh. Like you know they see it. It's a big one, man. When they're fuzzy like that, those are big fish. Like, where the heck are you going, dude? He's like... No, it's there. A little bit of grass, a little bit of this, a little bit of this. I like it when they do that. That's a good one. I like it when they do that. Look at that. Dude, when they do that, this is just an unbelievable day. I don't think that fish will even call nothing, but just where he was, he's chewing on my, I can feel his teeth on my minnow. When they eating it like that, bro, that is just, this is amazing. It's probably my favorite way to catch, new style to catch fish, in my opinion. I enjoy throwing a spinning rod. I get why guys are doing it. He ain't even gonna call. Every one of these fish got them black spots. They're so beautiful. Get on back in there. Dude, this is absolutely unbelievable. I'd say I pretty much, I ain't got it down, but man, if it shows up in a tournament and I need to, oh, there they go, there they go, they went chasing again. I can get my 5, I think, doing it. If they ever show up doing it, I can get my 5. You look over there off of that grass edge and there's lots of fish. There we go. I didn't even see him. It feels good though. Oh, it's a good one. See, it just blindly fishing. I couldn't see my bait. I just knew it was in the right place. That's a real nice fish. He might call. Oh my gosh, this is awesome, dude. Look how hard this largemouth. You would think I'm fishing for smallies. Look at that one. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Shake that big old head. Oh, stop. Yeah, you pan good. He might call. He might not. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on back in that cold water. Gotcha. No, he ain't gonna call. I'm gonna weigh him and see. But God, that is amazingly fun, dude. Goodness gracious, this is a ball. This is absolutely absurd. This is ridiculous. There's 7-pounders out here that do this. I gotta keep coming back until I catch me one. Oh yeah, he calls 275. He calls. Nope, he's 273. He calls my 249. 1488. What a beautiful, man, this is amazing. That's shad. Bro, That's a good one too. Oh man, unbelievable, bro. It's unbelievable. If I told you it was the truth, you'd think I was lying. Little brush pile there, dude. I got him. Giant bass. Giant bass, dude. Giant one. He was on that brush pile. It just made sense. He's got a lot of weight to him. Just gonna tire him down. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my God. Oh, that's a giant bass, dude. I actually might get the net on this guy. No, I'm just gonna take my time. Take my time. Deep breaths. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just stay pinned. Stay pinned. Stay pinned, girl. Stay pinned. Stay pinned. Oh, she's hooked so funky. She's hooked so funky. I got her. Look at that! Biggin, biggin, biggin. That's what we talking about. How beautiful that bass is. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Oh, that one is one of the ones we talking about. I guarantee you, guys, I guarantee that fish came out of that brush pile. I saw that brush pile. That fish smoked it. Let's get a weight on her. 531. Bigs. Let's let her go. 530 something. Beautiful fish. She's got that spot stuff on her too. Let's get her in the water. Oh man, what a beautiful bass. See you, girl. Go be beautiful down there. Giant. Oh my gosh, that's awesome, dude. If I don't catch another fish today, I'm okay with ending it that way. The power of the jig head minnow, the A-rig, all of these things that are out there, man. And live ain't easy. I've just been working on it. I've been putting in a lot of hours to get better at it. And it finally kind of clicked for me today. I'm sure I'll have bad days with it, but I'm trying to incorporate it in with my regular fishing. I mean, it almost seems like that's what you have to do. So, in saying that, I'm gonna end this one and just thank God. I want you to do the same. Thank God for what we got. And let's just keep praying for another day. What a great show. What a great show. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Your boy Mike Bass signing out. Peace.